This video will teach you how to find the equation of a line parallel and perpendicular to a given line. For example, you are given a straight line y equal to 2x plus 3 and you are given a fixed point 5, 1 and you are asked to find the parallel line to this passing through this point, and you are asked in question number 2 to find a straight line perpendicular to this and passing through this point. How to solve that? For parallel lines, the thing we need to know that for two parallel lines, if their gradient are m1 and m2, then m1 equals to m2. That means, in simple words, the gradients of parallel lines are same. And if two lines are perpendicular to each other and their gradients are m1 and m2, we can write m1 m2 equal to -1 or m2 equal to -1 by m1. So let's go to the math. For the first question, find the equation of the line passing through 5, 1 which is parallel to y equal to 2x plus 3. We see the line y equal to 2x plus 3 here. Its gradient is 2. Y equal to mx plus c. So its gradient is 2. m1 equal to 2. So m2 will also be 2 as the parallel lines. We need to find the equation of the line passing through 5, 1 and parallel to this line. So its gradient m2, we found it as 2. Equation of a straight line y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here m is 2, y1 is 1, x1 is 5. So y minus 1 equal to 2x minus 10, y equal to 2x minus 10 plus 1, y equal to 2x minus 9. This is the equation of a straight line passing through 5, 1 and parallel to 2x plus 3. Both have the same gradient 2. Now we need to find a straight line passing through this point and perpendicular to this line. So what will be the gradient m2? m2 equal to -1 by m1, that means -1 by 2. And equation of this perpendicular straight line y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Gradient here is -12, x1 is 5, y1 is 1. So therefore the equation of the straight line perpendicular to y equal to 2x plus 3 and passing through the point 5, 1 is x plus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. This is our answer and this is the answer of question number 1.